Did you know yoga straps are extremely useful tools when it comes to increasing flexibility? They help release tight hamstrings, thereby helping you feel much more open, lighter and relaxed. These are perfect to travel with as well. Hi guys, so today in Yoga for the Soul, we will talk about how to inculcate a yoga strap in your yoga routine. Coming on to the first asana, Virabhadrasana 2 or Warrior 2. To do the pose on the right side, start in a wide leg stance, opening the right foot to the front as you bend the knee. Left leg is straight and the left foot is parallel to the back of the mat. Torso is in the center with the hips opening towards the front. Loop the belt from the base of the left foot to the right knee. As the right knee stays bent, the belt should feel well stretched. Keep the buckle accessible so you adjust the length of the belt as required. Look at the right thigh, making sure it is parallel to the floor. Stretch your arms at shoulder level as you look towards the right hand. Stay for 7 to 10 deep breaths, release and repeat on the other side. The benefits of doing this pose is it stretches your hips, groins and shoulders, as well as opens your chest and lungs. It energizes tired limbs, stimulates your abdominal organs, develops balance and stability, and most importantly, improves circulation and respiration. Coming on to the second pose, Naukasana or the boat pose. Sit on the mat with the legs extended. Make sure your belt is in a loop. Place one end of the loop on your back just opposite the chest. Bend your knees and place the other end behind your feet. Balancing comfortably on the hips, take your spine back slightly and lift your legs off the mat. The strap is comfortably holding you in a boat-like position. You may choose to hold the sides of the strap for additional comfort. Hold for 7 to 10 deep breaths and release. Naukasana strengthens the abdominal muscles and helps in improving digestion. It also helps in developing core strength and getting rid of body fatigue. It strengthens the muscles of the arms, thighs and shoulders. Coming on to the third pose, staff pose with the strap or Dandasana with the strap. Sit on the mat with the legs extended. Make sure your belt is in a loop. Place one end of the loop on your lower back. Bend your knees and place the other end behind your feet. Extend your legs straight as you sit upright, feeling the stretch completely in the back of your legs. Staff pose stretches the hamstrings and calves and improves spinal strength. If you run or play sports that have a lot of running, you likely have tight hamstrings and calves. This pose can help restore some flexibility and it may help you improve your posture. It is also a pose that may help when you feel sciatica pain, although you should avoid following it with a forward bend. Using a block or blanket to prop yourself up in a seated pose is not a sign of weakness, it's smart. Using a strap to reach your feet or bind your arms behind your back is intelligence. Did you know that props can help us to access the pose and target the proper area of the body? They can help us to go deeper into a pose or protect ourselves from injury. Before we sign off, let's take a quick recap to today's video. The asanas we spoke about develops balances, improves posture and blood circulation. So, have you been using any props to stay fit? If yes, then what is it? Do share with us and keep watching this space for more such content.